Yo, what we saying, people? Listen up, yeah. Man's got a fresh new video for you lot today, yeah? Hey, this one. Man's got a phone call on Frank today. Yo, Mr Sircolgate, if you don't know who that is. Man just said, yeah, look, bro, man just fitted out my decap. Yo, car's roaring, bro, roaring. I'm like, yeah, roaring. I'm like, say no more. So obviously, man's getting his car tuned today from Sam at 117 speed. So I just thought, yo, fuck it, man. Let me go and grab a video for you lot today. You know what I'm saying? So obviously, he's gonna be on my drive out as well. So obviously, today's video mainly based on another S38Y, focusing on his car. You get me? So right now, we're currently at fresh fuel, but just waiting for my growth. Eat that, then fly down to Sircolgate, innit? Yo, in terms of the video with what's his face, Tins, I'll get onto that on a later date. Right now, we ain't talking about Tins today, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, follow me, man, follow me. Move. If I see you in my way, I'ma put a bullet in your way. Flying. I'm coming to you, Mr Sircolgate. Let's see what that S3 is saying, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what that car's saying, mate. Man said it's roaring. I'm like, what? Roaring. What? Roaring. I'm like, say no more, bro. You know what I mean? I go through. This is why I don't drive my car, Joe, in the weekdays, yo. I just be doing stupid like that, yo. Just makes me want to, just burns fuel, yo. Oh, keep on straight. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, mate. Fuck that. I can't be going through like 60, 70 pounds every 2 days, yo. Fuck that. That's long. Some people, it's nothing. To me, that's a lot of money, man. 60, 70 pounds. You know what I can do with it? You know what I can do with 60, 70 pounds, people? Oi! Yo. Couple traffic behind us, but you know what, people? I'm just trying to stretch my legs, you know. Oh. Come on, mate. Move out my way. Am I going next? Straight ahead.
Please keep right after 300 yards.
That's a nasty 140, yo. Yeah, that people. Farting. I say, yo. Nasty. Yeah. What we saying then, Frank?
Yo.
What we saying then?
Yo, the whip's moving like a train now, yo. Yo, like a train.
So what we doing now? We're waiting for Sam, yeah?
Yeah, 117 Sam is coming here now. We're gonna tune the car here. Obviously, he's not meant to do this, but obviously I wanted to get my downpipe fitted now. Obviously, I got my downpipe fitted, you know what, bezel. So Sam's not really meant to. Obviously, you can tune on your driveway and that, but he likes to do it with a ramp. But he told me he'll come here, tune it, and then when 117's now fully, obviously the move unit, when they've built up the new unit now, he's gonna come. I'm gonna take the car there and they're gonna put it on the dyno and custom the map.
Yeah. So basically, this is basically like a special treatment in a way.
Yeah.
Because obviously, they're obviously moving units in it. So usually they don't usually what they don't usually do this.
Like, yeah. Sam will never come anywhere to map a whip, bro, yo.
Yeah, man. I want to see what this car is saying, people.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I can't even do this. You know what I mean? I can't even do this. I've still got to wait for mine.
The whip's too new, yo.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not gonna lie and sit here and say man's not jealous. Man's fucking jealous. You know what I'm saying? But at least we can watch other people's success. You know what I'm saying?
Come on.
Yeah, standard, G. Standard. Nasty. I love that, bro. Gangster. Look at that. He's already caught a body, yo. Body's already dead. Dead fly. It's his first body, yo. Mental. Yeah, man. Hard S3. This is what I say, my twin, yo. My twin. You know what I'm saying? Yin and yang. Yin and yang.
Yo.
If there isn't blue, there's red. If there isn't red, there's blue. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, hear this.
What are you saying?
Hear this.
Oh, yeah. That sounds nasty, mate. Bro.
Fuck off! Who's catching me now, bro?
What? Nah, don't piss man off, bro. What? Yo, bro, this is not even driving, you know, bro. Imagine you on the airway. Bro, you're off, bro. You're off, bro. Nah. You took the mick out of this one, you know, bro. You took the mick out of this one, bro. Yeah. Wow, yo. Once Sam tunes this, I wanna hear this shit just driving, bro.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying, bro. Obviously, when you tuned it, you're going to driving that.
Yeah, standard.
Obviously, I'm going somewhere today, but I'm going to.
Mental. Look, you've even got upgraded discs and pads.
Yeah.
Standard.
Let me change my tires, bro.
Bro, me and you both, bro. Me and you both. Yeah, mental.
You on?
You alright, yeah?
I was saying, who else?
It's a famous man
who
today.
else in the world gets Samuel 117 to come to the house?
Yeah,
No one on a Saturday
yeah,
afternoon.
man. Yeah, man. Standard.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a little hedgehog in. Yeah, there's a little hedgehog in there. Why is it not supposed to sound like that? No. Is it not supposed to? No.
The engine sounds fine. It's fit loads of these though.
Now, to be fair, it was washed with the help of one of our other guys, innit? Yeah.
Right after work.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, how you gonna touch it, bro? Wait, you've never moved it? Oh, I forgot. You're not seen this in person.
Yeah.
Ah. Nah, don't take. Yo, Sam, rep that, bro. Rep that. Yes, yo. Are you stupid? Nah, that sounds gangster. Let me jump in the back, yo. Let me jump in the back.
I know about you.
And this on this side.
Wow. What? Oh. What the fuck? It's like a train.
What the?
This is us need to go right, probably.
Oh, left.
It is moving, it's good.
Yo.
Nah.
Fucking the whip is moving like a
And this is
train.
stage 1, you know.
Oh my god. Fuck off. Fuck. Look. Oh. Hey. Fuck off. Yo. Listen to the whip, though. Yo. What's going on? Yo, man. Oh. Yo, what the
It'll be even quicker when we get to Tesco.
Wow, so when I put Tesco in it, it's gonna be quicker as well.
Yeah,
Yeah. Flip.
Yeah, sorry people, man, I'm just a bit flabbergasted right now, you
Oh
know.
my god.
This almost feels like Declan's S3, you know, people. What the f? I said,
Yo, baby. I told you I'm calling out that Declan, bro. APS.
Yo.
Tell APS I'm calling them out, bro.
Yeah, that's the car just farting, yo. That's the car just farting, yo.
Yo, AB, I hate to do it, yo, but someone tell APS. Declan, get your S3 here, bro. Line them up.
Oh,
I'm ready to go. It's go mode. Listen to the whip.
fuck. Fuck. Now Seaboy trying to kill me, yo.
God. S3. I need to update that badge now.
Yo.
Double S3. I need to put another S.
Fuck.
Yo.
Shit, yo. Nah, I can't lie, yo. This is a monster. It's a chocolate monster, man. What the fuck? Yeah.
Yeah.
What, more power, yeah?
You heard that. Quicker.
Quicker.
It's gonna be even quicker. And the man.
All right. But guess what, though? My car gonna be quicker.
Yo, no one.
It can't be.
I'm forcing you. I'll make it happen.
Get some, we're gonna have to get some stick on plates. You know that one?
Yeah, just take up, yeah.
Hey,
100.
This is gonna be moving.
100. Knuckles, Sonic. Knuckles, Sonic. Let's get it cracking. Let's go, man. Let's go. Boom. Live action.
Live action.
Yo,
Start the recording.
Come on,
Start the recording. Oh my days.
Oh, even Boss Man liked it, yo.
Fuck
Even
off.
Boss Man liked it, yo.
Fuck off.
Nah.
Fuck off. Yo, fuck off. Yeah.
Ooh,
Sorry, love. Close your ear. Fuck off. Yo, why is the whip moving like this? Oh my day. Pop, 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 pop. Yo, pop, pop, pop.
Yo,
Mel, yo, pop, pop,
You know,
pop.
ask for some popcorns. Yo, shit. Yo,
Oh my days.
got a headache, yo.
Oh my days. I'll never get tired of this, you know.
I got a headache, yo. Shit. Oh, mate.
Oh my days. I ain't ever
Mate.
getting tired of this, bro.
Mate.
Oh my
Mate.
gosh.
Wow.
What has he done to this whip, bro?
What the fuck?
What has he done to this whip, bro?
Bro, yeah, man. Shout out to Sam, man. 117 speed.
Yo,
You know what I mean?
yo,
Fuck.
gotta give him his flowers, bro. Gotta give him his flowers.
Shit, serious, man. I gotta get like a bottle of wine or something, bro.
Yo, the way the whip's moving right now, bro. Yo, I wanna take him on a date.
I said, no, pause.
What is that?
Pause. I said on a date, you know. Pause.
Yo,
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 shit.
the
Man said on
people
a
don't
date,
even
bro.
see that street like this now, bro.
Shit.
Yo. Yo! He just took a shit on the road. I just took a shit on.
I just took a shit on the road.
on the road. Heavy dome.
That sounds
Oh,
nasty. yo.
people.
Yo, That's a fresh air, yo.
People.
Yo, I just had fresh
The
air, yo.
whip is moving like a
Oh,
train.
shit. Nah, that's nasty stuff, yo. That's nasty stuff, yo.
Dirty work, this, you know.
Shit, nah.
Oh.
Shit. That's some nasty stuff, yo.
Yo. Fuck off. Yo.
Yo, people. We're like a bunch of hyenas, yo. Yo, stand it.
Yo.
Shit.
Yo.
Nah. Yo, look at this guy's face, yo.
Yo. Open the doors, fam.
Shit.
Yo.
Oh, I've got a headache, people.
Yo. Oh,
Yo.
thank you, mate. Yeah.
This is quick, man.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Yo.
This is quick, yo. What the fuck? That is mad. That is quick.
Oh my days. And then you just slap it in to efficiency.
It's crazy, these new S38Ys, bro. Stage 1, straight up 400 brake, bro.
Yeah.
Stage 1, you know? The old ones used to be like 350, bro. For stage 1, 350 or 370 at tops.
That's what
Bro.
I'm saying, bro. You slap it in efficiency, all the pops, bangs gone. All the pops and bangs are gone.
Wow, yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Everything gone quiet.
You know what's crazy, people? Nice, you know what's not even crazy?
Back in dynamic.
I'm getting the exact same setup. I already told him when he ordered it, you know, before he ordered it, I told him, bro, I'm getting the exact same thing. Alibaba, AliExpress, Temu, I would give you flying monkeys, yo. Man, grabbing that shit, bro.
Yo, people.
You know what I'm saying?
Change the game.
You think I'm
We
paying
have changed the
£800
game.
for a decat? You must be off your fucking rockers, yo.
Yeah, bro,
You
yeah,
know what I mean?
that's nuts,
Bro,
that's
how much you pay for it again?
Bro, I feel like three. I think mine was 286, bro. 286.
Standard.
286. Probably like with everything, probably like 350.
Standard. Do you know how, bro, that sounds great.
Yo.
That sounds great, mate.
People, the whip is moving. Yo,
Yeah, man.
yo, got AB here as well. Oh, flip sake, I just moved the thing.
Yeah, sad.
Got AB
Sad.
here as well, yeah. Yo, AB's fucking with it now. Fucking with it.
Bro, I can't even lie, bro. You're gone, bro.
He's in all, bro.
You're gone. I just have to catch you in them corners, yo.
Yo, he's actually in
Yo, look at the boys, look at the boys, look at the boys, look at the boys.
the whip is just
Yeah, the
dumb.
boys.
The whip is dumb now, man.
Yeah, people. Shit. That's the S3 thing. Yeah.
Yeah. People. That's
Mad.
it. Yo, I gotta stop terrorizing the block right now.
Bro, this is your fucking end, bro.
Yo.
Everyone's gonna fucking come after you, bro.
Yo, ain't no one on my street keeping up with me no more, bro. No one.
No, yeah?
On my street. Let me say on my street.
What's on the street?
On my avenue.
Son, yo, people, listen, yeah, if you enjoy that, yeah, like, comment, subscribe,
Yo.
and also, yo, let me not forget, yeah, finally reach 1,000 subscribers,
Yo,
yeah.
big up AB, 1,000 subscribers, yo.
Come on. No, you're not gonna big up me, yo, big up my subscribers, yo.
Yo.
Some of you yeah, hate me, some of you love me, but you know what? I don't give two flying monkeys, because you guys are still locked in.
Yo.
So keep getting locked in. But yeah, man, that's us over, man.
Yo.
AB, Abo to Akko. Mr.
Yo.
Sircolgate.
You already know how it is, yo. Huh? Ah!
Go crazy on these niggas, man.
Flying uptown in a ride with Vegas. I just made a lot of money back, so I got time today. 38 stuff with no cereal, what's manual? If I let it bust.
My nigga fresh out the walk in his auntie. Glock full of candy. Twin turbo German, turn my block into Grand Prix. She like, I beg you, put the roof back, it's freezing. I'm flossing, I couldn't give a toss about the bad beef. You call the shots when you mash peas, cause niggas toy soldiers and the guap gets you batteries. Still pull up to that drop in the cat seat. Hammer on me, Triple H or rocket like Brandy. Went down to a 400.